Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic. This is actually my first time seeing the new G45 X3 in this color, and kind of like what happened to me on the 330. I really like this color on X3. So we've got the kidney grille lit up. I just hit unlock on the key. We've got the headlights on. So let me just do a little lap all the way around the vehicle. And then we'll be able to go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. But more or less, I really just wanted to show off this color. So let's do it. Let's take a look at all the details. So this is Arctic Race Blue Metallic. Originally appeared first in 2021 on the G22 4 Series. So we've got some nice body lines coming lengthwise down the hood. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rondelle up front and center. We've got the new illuminating kidney grille, so that looks sweet lit up. And we do have the crisscross design on the front grille. Cameras up front here as well. Plate bracket is on. And you can see, because we've got the M Sport design, we've got that little divider at the front down at the bottom. And we've got some active grills at the bottom. And there are also some actual functional air ducts here as well, which looks great. And if we take a closer look at these headlights, these are the shadow line BMW LED headlights, so everything is blacked out in there. And we've got that double stacked L-shaped headlight design. And if I go ahead and we press and hold panic for 1 second, full pathway lighting system on. So this one does have the little stacked LEDs there, and there's the actual low beam. Looks good. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch double spoke 1037M wheels in frozen black with the red M Sport brake there. So that looks really nice. I like the 5-spoke design. And we've also got this body line coming around here, and it kind of fades off. And one starts here and cuts across and swoops up, kind of in line with the Hofmeister here. But overall side profile, I think this car looks really good. We have body colored side mirrors with the integrated turn signal and camera. We have the glass roof up top, black roof rails, black window surrounds. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. There's also an M welcome light carpet. Not very easy to see, it's bright in here. And there's your rear 1037M wheel. We've got the new style antenna up top. We have the little spoiler up top, and it's kind of enclosed for aero. And we've got the new tail light design. So BMW lights up on the side, crisscross light patterns, a stacked L-shape, inverted L-shape tail light design, X3 30 badging. So no longer any eyes on the gas models. And down at the bottom, we've got the diffuser. And below, there's your actual exhaust. So you can see that there is a exit over here. So we're back here. I've got the key. Kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have that open hands-free. So once that opens up, got this little ledge here with some crisscross. We've got the cargo cover. So if you press both of these buttons on each side to expose that little orange there, the cargo cover can be released. The cargo cover can be stored down here. There's more storage space. There's an optional spare tire that can be placed here. Wheel lock key tow hook is over here. And once you're done with this, you just push it back into place. It's locked back in. We have the 12-volt plug here. We have the grocery bag hanger. There's a little netted area with some illumination. Another grocery bag over here. And when we're done with everything back here, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But we can kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Beautiful. On the passenger side is the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. This is counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put it. If I open up the back door, so we've got Harman Kardon sound system, window switch, bit of ambient light coming through there, you can see. Pockets. There's the rear seats in black. We have the little release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split, stitching around the headrest. And in the center we've got the armrest with some cup holders. We also have the button right here that you can press that releases the center pass-through. And up top we have a handle on each side with a coat hanger, some lights. And on the back of the front seats there's a little accessory port, netted pocket. We have some vents, storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, more vents down here. So let's shut this door. And again, M welcome light carpet, barely visible in the light. Let's open up this one. So we've got some green light going on, unlock, lock, window switch, door pockets, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, nice soft touch dash with some stitching going across. We've got glove box down here, illuminated, curved display with xDrive operating system 9. We also have the jewel box down here with your wireless charger with the vent to cool it down, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, cup holders, glass xDrive controller. And there is your center console, and there's a 12-volt plug inside of there. So let's shut this door, and we'll open the door on the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, so inside of there, the windows were just tinted, but there's all your window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. There's your memory buttons for the driver's side here, vent controls for this vent with a directional controller down here at the bottom. Another look at those beautiful black seats, and it does have a lumbar and side bolster here. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel for 2025, M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. We do also have your head-up display here and a quick peek into the xDrive system we're going to be able to see. So this has the active cruise control, so that will mitigate the speed and the distance to the car in front of you. And we've got all the self-parking, so back park, front park, parallel park, all that good stuff. We have the universal garage door buttons underneath here on the underside of the rearview mirror. And we have the interior camera, the glass roof, sunshade, has the mirror inside of here, the light turns on with it. Sunshade can also come out and extend. So now that we've had a chance to look at the interior, down here it's hidden. Hood releases right here, 1, 2 pulls. So when we arrive to the front, we just have to lift this up. There's no manual prop rod. There it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. And this time around we have 255 horse, 295 torque. Positive battery terminals here. Negative battery terminals, this metal post down here. Washer fluid goes there. Nice engine bay. We've got some strut bars on each side. And BMWs have 2 latches into the hood, so it's just a matter of sending the hood down from roughly about halfway. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm just gonna do one more final lap all the way around. We've got everything lit up. Kidney grill looks sweet. We've got the sounds of summer out here as well. Sorry about that. This paint looks really good on this car. And I'm glad that we got a combination of different lighting in here. So you can see, like, low light, it's nearly black. and with some lighting on it, you can see the Arctic Race color. And with a bit of sunshine on there, looks really good. So how do you like this car in this color? Let me know in the comments below. 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X330 xDrive in Arctic Race Blue Metallic with the black interior and M Sport Pro. How do you like this combination? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.